These business models allow you to earn money passively and make $7,500 a week. In today's video, I'm sharing 9 passive income ideas and I'm going to explain to you how to start them. Now be sure to stick around because these strategies can completely change your financial future. First things first, let's clarify some terms so we're all on the same page. When people talk about passive income, it's easy to think of it as like you're just chilling on the beach doing nothing while money rolls in. But here's the truth, it's not about doing nothing. Passive income means you set something up and then it keeps generating money with little effort after that. Imagine writing a book. You put in the work up front, spending hours or even months writing and perfecting it. But once it's published, you don't need to keep writing to keep earning. That's passive income. The key is that after that initial hustle, you don't need to keep putting in the same level of effort to continue making money. But it also doesn't mean zero effort. It just means less day-to-day grind. Now, passive income isn't easy income. It's income that flows with the system you've already built, where the heavy lifting happens at the very start of the process. And after that, it's mostly maintenance. Now, let's dive deeper into some of the top passive income streams that can actually help you hit that sweet spot where it can help you earn even while you sleep. Alright, let's talk about the stock market. This is something everyone should be considering if you're serious about passive income. Now, I know a lot of people think that the stock market is risky or that you need to be a financial expert to even think about investing. But here's the deal, investing in the stock market is much better than leaving your money in the bank, where it's just losing its value due to inflation. First, make an emergency fund, maybe around 6 to 8 months of expenses, and then start investing. The earlier you start, the better, and making this a regular habit can easily set you up for success. Index funds, for example, are a great choice for beginners. They track the overall market, so instead of putting your eggs in one basket, you spread your money around a bunch of different companies, reducing your risk. And if you want something with a little risk, you might also want to look into crypto, but that's a different conversation. With this approach, you're not just earning passive income, you're giving your money a chance to grow and beat inflation over time. So your money works for you, not the other way around. Next up, affiliate marketing. This one's huge, especially if you have an online presence or you're willing to build one. With affiliate marketing, you're promoting other people's products, and when somebody clicks your link or buys something, you earn a commission. Platforms like Amazon, for example, have affiliate programs where you can sign up for free. Then you share the links to the products that you genuinely recommend to your audience. You can use a blog, a newsletter, or even social media like YouTube and TikTok. Pretty straightforward, right? However, the tricky part is when you have to drive traffic to those links and getting people to trust you enough to make a purchase. Building an audience is where the magic happens because this is how you start generating income. Whether you're creating high quality content, building a community that trusts you, or just being super consistent. Once the links are set up, the maintenance is easy. You just have to keep sharing, keep engaging, and watch the commissions roll in over time. If you're looking for a way to make passive income, selling digital products is golden. Think Notion templates, digital planners, ebooks, for example. Once these are created, you can sell them repeatedly without any extra work. A great example here is Thomas Frank, a YouTuber who made over $1 million in revenue by selling Notion templates. He doesn't even focus on his main YouTube channel anymore. He just went all in on digital products. Now, creating these products does take time and effort initially. You need to have some expertise, whether it's in Notion, GoodNotes, or something else. And if you're new to this, it can take a little while to get familiar with the tools. Writing an ebook, for instance, requires a deep knowledge on your subject matter and solid writing skills. But once the product's done, it's a whole new income stream with very little ongoing effort. That said, marketing is important. You have to get your product in front of the right people. SEO, social media, email marketing, or even paid ads can help you attract those buyers. Once it's out there though, maintenance is almost non-existent. Just keep your product relevant and you're good to go. Now, this is a powerful one, creating online courses. If you've got a unique skill or expertise, this is one of the best ways to make passive income. Platforms like Skillshare are perfect for anyone who wants to teach. For example, Ali Abdal, the former doctor turned productivity YouTuber, makes almost $1 million a year from Skillshare courses alone. Creating a course is one thing, but the beauty of it is that once it's created, it can continue generating income as long as people keep signing up. Plus, it's a fantastic way to share your knowledge and help other people. The great thing about Skillshare and other platforms like it is that they handle a lot of the technical side things for you. They take care of the payment systems, hosting, and all that stuff, so you can just focus on creating and sharing. If you've got a skill you want to teach, online courses are a great way to earn passive income. Twitter or X or whatever you want to call it might not come to mind first when you think of passive income, but hear me out. This platform offers a unique opportunity to build an audience and earn money without showing your face. That's the beauty of it. It's about the value you provide, not necessarily personal branding. Starting on Twitter is super easy. Sign up, create a profile, and start sharing valuable content. The challenge lies in building a dedicated following. It takes time and you need to be consistent. But once you've got that following, there are several ways you can monetize. Affiliate marketing, selling digital products, sponsored tweets, or even offering paid subscriptions through Twitter's super follow feature. Building influence on Twitter can open up doors for passive income, especially if you've got a solid content strategy and engage with your audience. The more value you give, the more opportunities you create. Instagram and TikTok are king when it comes to building an audience, but let's be honest, it's not a walk in the park. Both platforms favor short-form content, which means you need to be consistently posting, ideally 5 to 7 times a week, and that can get pretty labor-intensive. But here's the thing, these platforms are massive. They've got billions of active users, which means if you play your cards right, there's potential to reach a huge audience and monetize through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling your own products or courses. It's not easy to build a following, and even once you do, monetizing can be tricky. But if you're strategic about it, Instagram and TikTok can definitely become significant players in your passive income strategy. Now, let's talk about YouTube. Starting a YouTube channel is pretty straightforward, but standing out in a sea of content? That's a different story. Creating high-quality videos that attract viewers and build an audience is key. It's not just about uploading, it's about research, scripting, filming, editing, and promoting the video. But once you've built an audience, you're set. YouTube has multiple revenue streams: ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, selling your own products, coaching, you name it. You have to understand though that it's not luck. It's about knowing the platform and understanding your audience. If you're consistent and smart about your content, YouTube can be a steady stream of passive income. And finally, let's talk about membership platforms. Membership platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi are excellent for generating passive income, while also building a tight-knit community around your content. A great example of this is Hamza, a successful content creator who makes thousands every month through his membership platform. To get started, you'll need to define what exclusive benefits you'll offer. Whether that's group coaching, one-on-one sessions, or behind-the-scenes content, it doesn't really matter as long as you deliver on those benefits. Of course, you'll also need to market it, but you don't need thousands of followers. A small, dedicated fan base can be just as powerful. Now, once it's up and running, a membership program can generate a predictable stream of income. Plus, it helps you build a deeper connection with your audience, which is priceless. There you go. Those are some of the top passive income strategies that are not just about making money, but about setting up systems that work for you. Remember, passive income isn't effortless income, but with the right systems in place, you can definitely make your money work smarter, not harder. Now, if you'd like to learn how to invest in an ETF, make sure to click this one. But don't click on it just yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your wealth. Alright, I'll see you over there.